Hey, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create the super aesthetic low exposure effect just by using your iPhone. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm simply setting the focus on the object, as once this is done, the yellow square, as you can see here, will appear, and this is what we will use in order to create the amount of exposure that we want on the image. The yellow square is really the only thing that you need in order to create the low exposure effect, as you can see here, I am able to adjust the amount of brightness that I want in the image by simply swiping down using the toggle on the right of the yellow square, and if I were to swipe up, you'll notice that the image will have a lot more light. So here are some more photos that I've taken using this handy little trick. Super easy to do, as you can see, and it makes such a difference on my photos. You can also get the low exposure effect when you're shooting photos at night. So as you can see here, I've got this really cool skyline, and again I want to create the low exposure aesthetic. I've gone ahead and I've set the focus, and the yellow square has appeared again, and I'm able to set the amount of exposure that I want in the photo. And as you can see, as I'm moving the toggle down, I'm getting a lot more of the darkness coming through in the image, and it kind of sets a more realistic, image of what the photo looks like compared to the auto, whereby it's kind of still really blue, but I really want it to look a lot darker. Anyway, so that's my take on how to get the super aesthetic low exposure effect. I really hope this video has been helpful, and I will see you all in my next one.